Do you want to create content that goes viral every time? A single viral video can earn you thousands of dollars. Recently, I've noticed that the luxury motivational niche is attracting a lot of views in formats like Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Today, I want to share a secret that all successful creators use to make their videos go viral and earn money. The best part? You don't need to spend a dime. All you need is your phone or computer. Let me guide you through the steps to achieve the same amazing results. To make this process simple for you, I've separated it into 3 steps. Step 1. Find luxury clips. There are 2 ways to find the clips. The first is to find your own clips and get them for free. The downside is that it is very time-consuming. However, as a beginner, it can be worth it to avoid spending money. But if you're willing to speed up the search, you can purchase pre-made packs that contain tons of useful clips. Today, I'll show you how to do it for free. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. What you'll want to do is head over to Instagram and scroll through luxury videos in your Explore feed. It's essential that the videos you choose aren't heavily edited. This one, for example, meets all the criteria, so I'll copy the link. Now it's time to visit a site called Snap Insta. Here, paste the link and hit download. Then, repeat this process until you have amassed a good amount of clips. Step 2. Find a trending audio. To put together the video, we need some audio, but not just any kind. You need to ensure it is currently trending, as that will give you a bit of a boost. A good way to find these audios is to go to the Instagram Explore page and see what people are using under the luxury niche. A good tip is to save the audio that you like so that you can easily access them later. Once you have the audio you want to use, copy the link and head over to Snap Insta. Paste the link and download the video. Later, I'll show you how to extract the audio and use it on your own video. Now, I want to show you another technique that could be useful. It is called content snipping. To do this, go to Instagram and find a page from your niche. Make sure it has a significant amount of traffic. This video, in particular, stands out to me because it has original audio and has garnered several views. What you want to do is use it as inspiration for your video ideas. Step 3. Editing the video. Putting together the video may be the most time-consuming but gratifying part, as you get to add your personal touch to it. To edit, you can use the software of your preference, but I will be using CapCut since it is free and easy to use. The first thing you'll want to do is upload the video containing the audio you want to use. Then, right-click on the video and select Extract Audio. Now that the audio is separated from the video, you can upload your collection of clips and decide whether to keep the edited video as a guide or delete it. If you're not very experienced with editing, I suggest keeping the edited video as a guide, since cuts are often made to match the beat of the audio. When you're done arranging the clips, you can move on to creating the text. To do this, locate the text symbol and enter the captions you want. You can also customize the look of the font, the size, and even the border of the text. However, here comes a very important aspect that you may not have noticed yet. The pages that make these videos usually have a dark aesthetic. Adopting this style is crucial if you want to increase your chances of getting views. Without the right look, people might not be interested in your content, so I'm going to show you how I do it. As you can see, most of the clips I selected are already somewhat dark, but there's something I can do to make all the clips appear more cohesive. I'll select all the videos and turn down the opacity. This is a personal touch based on your preference, so feel free to adjust the opacity as you see fit. In this case, I'll set it at 85%. It already looks a bit darker, but there's something else you can do to elevate the look. Select a filter. For this type of video, the filters in the mono category look nice, but my favorite is jazz, so I'm clicking on that one. You might notice, though, that some clips now appear too dark. If that happens, simply click on the clip, restore the opacity to 100%, and perhaps increase the brightness slightly. This will make the video look much smoother. There's another step you can take to make your video look more professional and recognizable to your audience. You can achieve that desired look by sticking your logo in the video as a watermark. When starting out, it's okay not to have a professionally animated logo. You can create your own logo. Just ensure it fits the style of this niche. As a tip, consider making it white to stand out against the dark video background. Don't add the logo from the beginning. Instead, place it midway through the video and keep it visible until the end. To remove the black background, select the blending mode and choose Screen. Since it currently stands out too much, I'll reduce the opacity to something like 40%. Also, since it appears too large, I'll scale it down. I think 20% is perfect. I'll position it near the top, making sure it is aligned with the center. You could also place it at the bottom. Just double check that it's centered. And with that, you'll be done. Now it's time to export the video. You can use my export settings for optimal results. For frame rate, I selected 30 FPS. The format is MP4, high quality, and the resolution is 1080p. Once it's downloaded, I'll transfer it to my phone for uploading, as I find that more convenient. However, you can skip this step if you're already working from your phone. Remember that some videos perform better with original audio and others with trending audio, so try out which works best for you. To put that to the test, just go to the platform of your choosing, find the trending audio, and turn it down to 1. You can turn up the camera audio to 100. This way, all your edits will match the audio because you're using the same audio, and in return, you'll get the benefits of being featured on the trending audio page. But now you may be wondering, how can I make money with this? The truth is that there are a couple of ways in which you can make money like the rest of these pages are doing. One of them is using affiliate links. There are many products out there that you can promote, but you need to stick to the ones that your audience is likely going to be interested in. Some pages also engage in sponsorships, though this isn't the most common method. However, I've saved the best for last, because this is where the real money lies, and that is selling your clip packs. There are so many creators out there willing to pay for luxury clips they can use in their own content. If you get creative, you could even sell your own filters. To entice people to buy them, simply show them how to use them like a tutorial. To create this product, all you need to do is create a folder where you put all your clips and then choose a platform like Google Drive or Telegram to place it. Next, you'll want to set up a storefront on Shopify or another website of your preference. Since this is a digital product, sending it to the client will be very simple. They'll receive an email with a link to download the product. This is how you can profit from your Instagram page. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.